Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jakarta. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutia Nur Aisyah. You can call me Mutia. I am from Rebel Tour and Travel. I'll be your guide for today. I will tell about Satria Mandala Museum and Crocodile Bridge. First, I will explain about the Satria Mandala Museum. The Satria Mandala Museum, also spelled Satria Mandala Museum, in the main museum for the Indonesian Armed Forces. Opened on 5 October 1972, it is located on 5.6 hectare, 14 acres of land in South Jakarta, and hold numerous artifact, weapon, and vessels. The museum is located on Gatot Subroto Street in West Kuningan, Mampang, South Jakarta, and sit on 5.6 hectare, 14 acres of land. The exhibitions are divided amongst 3 buildings and the ground. It is the main military museum in Indonesia. The name Satria Mandala derived from Sanskrit and translate as a secret place for the night. The museum is open to the public and has archives for persons researching the history of the armed forces. After 1968, the head of the Indonesian Armed Forces, Historian Noto Susanto, Nugroho Noto Susanto, conceived of a modern museum showcasing the military role in Indonesia development. At that time, the country military museum served as the struggle museum. In Yogyakarta were underfunded and had poorly defined mission statement. There was not yet a museum showing the united role of the military only museum to the role of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Noto Susanto modeled his design after the Australian War Memorial in Canberra and the Museum Nacional de Historia in Mexico City. At first, the military asked President Suharto to ask the presidential pledge in Bogor, a request which was denied. They were instead told to ask the Wisma Yaso, built in 1960 as home for then President Sukarno, Japanese wife Ratna Dewisari. The building had a Japanese style. The home was converted to a museum beginning on 15 November 1971, although development continued until 1979. The museum was formally opened by President Suharto to Armed Forces Day, 5 October 1972. On its opening day, the museum housed only 20 dioramas. An additional museum was pada Purbawisesa, translated as Eternal Vigilant Museum, was built on the ground in 1987 after a series of protests by conservative Muslim groups. were brought down by military forces as the 1984 Tanjung Priok massacre. Suharto now ordered government gave more emphasis to Pancasila education. Waspada Purbawisesa played that role in Satria Mandala Museum. In January 2010, Satria Mandala was declared a cultural property of Indonesia. It offering 48,000 annual visitors between 2006 and 2008. Next, I will explain the history of crocodile bridge. Roti buaya, translated as a crocodile bridge, is a Betawi two-sweetened bread in the shape of a crocodile. Roti buaya is always present in traditional Betawi wedding ceremonies. Bread and pastry making was introduced by Eropa that settled in Batavia, Jakarta, the Portuguese and Dutch before the arrival of the Eropa, who introduced bread the crocodile shape. This was made from yam or cassava. The modern version of roti buaya was created during the colonial era where influenced by Dutch cuisine along with salad Solo salad, macaroni skutel, macaroni casserole bistik Jawa, Japanese beef stick, and earthen pea soup. The Betawi believe that crocodile met with only one partner, therefore the breed is believed to represent the fidelity of married couple. During the wedding, the breed on the breed's side is noticed by the guests, and the condition of the breed is considered to represent groom character. Crocodiles have traditionally been considered to be very petty. Besides fidelity, the breed also represents economic establishment. However, in modern culture, the symbolism of the crocodile has changed. A crocodile can refer to bad things such as in buaya judi, someone who often gambles, buaya minum and alcohol, and buaya darat and unfaithful person. The breed also portrayed petty because crocodile were petty waiting for their prey. Another version stated that the breed depicted masculine. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the end of the tour. On behalf of my company Rebel Tour and Travel, I wish you well and thank you for your attention and cooperation. Before you leave the beach, please check your personal belongings, and goodbye for now. Thank you for trusting me and good evening.